So the RD has pretty hopeless brakes. I went with front discs, but still the rear brake is pathetic and hopeless. So what happened is, when I was building the front brakes, I actually took a test ride. This was a couple of years ago, and the front wheel locked up, and unfortunately I was not wearing a helmet. So I ended up in the hospital and was hospitalized for almost 4 days. I went through 5 plastic surgeries because my face was pretty ruined. So this is precisely why I advocate wearing helmet. And after that day, even if I go for a 100-meter ride, I wear a helmet. And it has been a lesson for me. So because of which I do not want a rear disc conversion. So the next best option that I had was these. These are Kevlar brakes, which has come from United States. One of my friend got these for me. The quality is simply amazing. When you compare to the cheap Delhi crap that we get, this is just simply amazing. So I'm going to install this on the RD, and I'm planning to take a test ride. So things that you need to install this are: you need a 22 mm spanner to open this, then you need a 13 mm spanner to open that, and then you need a 14 mm spanner to open this. So I'll put you guys on a tripod so that you guys can see exactly how it is done. So first thing is, we will put the brake on the center stand. These are original Rajdoot brakes, but the shoes were thin on this. These have a few more mm, so I'm hoping that these would work better. So let's see. Part that you see, this hole needs to go here, and this flat surface needs to go here. There you go. So that's one brake shoe fixed. Top tip, before you put these springs on, make sure it is facing in the right direction, otherwise this will quickly turn into a massive pain. Now chain adjuster and the spacer. Okay, so now comes the difficult part, adjusting the brakes. First I need to put this part in. It's important that you put a quarter pin at the end of this nut, because I have had a brake related problem before when I was riding fast and this thing just came off. So somebody has named it pretty well, that these things are actually widow makers. This very bike tried killing me at least on 3 different occasions. So guys, I am a big advocate of power tools because they actually reduce your work to a great extent. This is the power tool that I have. Makes my job a lot easy. So this basically is very similar to the brake rod from an FZ. So I would advise you get them, because RD brake rods are not available, and if they are available, people charge you a bomb for that. So an FZ brake rod is little longer, I think. So what I did is I took an FZ brake rod and I connected that. Basically I shoehorned that at the end of an RX brake rod. Okay, so this would need removal because that is tight. Okay, that stops. See? So I'll have to remove this, and I don't know what possessed me to put an Allen key bolt there. Finally, it's done. This stops, doesn't move. So that is one fixed brake.